Welcome to today's activity. Today you'll be exploring some explosive and non-explosive eruptions, looking at different volcanoes. With that, so you'll see that this slide deck is shared with you. What we're going to have you do is, I'm not going to have you see at the end, we're not going to complete the questions. I'm not going to have you do that on the Google form. What I'm going to have you do is take the description of these volcanoes and you're going to identify, are they an explosive volcanic eruption, non-explosive volcanic eruption, or could it be both? With that, you're going to plot these volcanoes on this map using the blue dot for non-explosive, red dot for explosive, green dot for explosive, and then there's this teal box that you will use, that you will label the name of that volcano where you found it on the world map. I will also have a quiz for you to take as well, so please take care of that. Thank you and have a good day.